Hi guys, today we are making strawberry jam tart. Start by creaming together the butter or margarine with sugar. To that, add in the eggs with the vanilla essence mixed in. Once the eggs are mixed in, add in the oil, followed by half the self-raising flour together with the salt. You can then add in the remainder of the self-raising flour together with corn flour and desiccated coconut. You will find that this is now difficult to mix with a whisk, so use your hands to make a soft dough. Once the dough is ready, take out about a quarter of the dough and spread the rest onto a greased oven pan. Using a fork, poke some holes into the dough. Spread some strawberry jam over the base. Sprinkle a thin layer of desiccated coconut over the jam. Grate the remainder dough over the jam. Now bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for between 25 and 30 minutes. Do give this recipe a try.